If you like sweet and sour pork, you'll be sure to enjoy this recipe. The pork is tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. We're also going to coat it with a glossy sweet and sour sauce. This is better than any takeout place. Let's get started! Here we have some pork. You can also replace it with other protein. In a large mixing bowl, place the pork inside. Season it with salt, white pepper, Shaoxing wine, egg white. The egg white helps to tenderize the pork. Mix well. Marinate it for about 15 minutes. How do you usually marinate your meat? Please comment below and share with us. Coat the pork with half cup of cornstarch. Mix together. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Now coat the pork with another half cup of cornstarch. Mix again. The cornstarch will coat the pork better this way and the result is crispier. In a bowl, mix together the water, ketchup, rice vinegar, sugar, salt, whisk. In a pot over high heat, add the oil inside. Heat it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Carefully place the pork inside and fry for about 3 minutes. Remove. Now we're going to heat up the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 degrees Celsius. Return the pork and fry until crispy for 1 minute. Double frying makes it super crispy and less oily. When the external temperature is hotter than the internal temperature, it forces the oil from the inside to come out, so the pork is crispy and not greasy. Remove and drain in a wok over high heat. Add the oil, onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper. Stir fry for about 30 seconds. Remove. Pour the sauce inside and add the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. And mix well. Return the vegetables and pork. Also add the pineapple inside. Mix everything together. The beauty of life is that there are many ups and downs. I have been going through some emotional roller coaster in the past few days. Eventually, when I took a step back, changed my mindset, and simply enjoyed my sweet and sour pork for a few minutes. And at the end, I noticed when my mindset is at the right place, everything just seems perfectly beautiful. Happy cooking and enjoy! It is sweet and sour, definitely better than any takeout place. I hope that you can also give it a try and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, follow, and like, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!